Gates open, they're up and racing. Dancing Giselle draws for your lead. Running by the realm, My Promise. Then moving up, Run the Dance. Next, Big Thing catching the fourth spot. Then followed by Go Army. Formal entry and trailing the group is getting better as they race towards the last 800. Dancing Giselle, Run the Dance running by the realm. Racing in third. Next, Big Thing by the realm, My Promise. Formal entry and Go Army as they rounded the last 600. Dancing Giselle just in front, throwing a challenge on the outside. Next, Big Thing moves up to take the lead. Next, Big Thing from the outside takes the lead. Dancing Giselle in between runners by the rail. Run the Dance. Go Army on the outside with My Promise by the rail. And down the stretch they come. Next, Big Thing by our length and a half. Dancing Giselle down on the inside. Run the Dance, formal entry. And finally, Jeff Sarate on Next Big Thing. Dancing Giselle close between Run the Dance, formal entry, and Go Army for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 5